Pagpalang araw po, Ito po inyong kaibigan kay Jesus, Brother Manny Bautista. Panginoon Diyos, sa aming Ama na makapangyarihan sa lahat, marami pong salamat sa iyong binigay na almusal. Okay, kain po tayo ng almusal na binigay ng Diyos ay sa Mateo 6:9. Sa turo ng Panginoong Jesus, ganito kayo manalangin. Ama namin nasa langit ka. In verse 11, bigyan mo kami ng aming kakanin araw-araw. Okay? Diyos ang provider ng pagkain natin sa araw-araw. Sige, kain na po tayo, kaibigan. Kain. To turn the stones into bread. And sopas. The second one was when he took Jesus to the highest pinnacle of the temple and commanded and seduced Jesus. But all of these temptations, sopas na spaghetti pong ginamit. Luto ni Sister Baby, bigay ng Diyos. That those temptations do not really belong to God, and they were not for Satan to give. In the book of Genesis, in chapter 3, verse 6, we can see that even before the creation and the advent of human civilization, ito na ang pinangpukso ni Satanas sa mga unang tao. In the book of Genesis 3:6, when the woman saw the fruit of the tree was good for food and pleasing to the eye, and also desirable for gaining wisdom. Mapapansin ninyo na ang panubukso ni Satanas ay pinadaan niya sa pamagitan ng paningin ng tao. It is for this reason why Apostle John says that the things of the world, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life are the very things that make up for our base instincts. And these and other base instincts that Apostle James underscore as the birthing space for sin. Kay Apostol Santiago, dito talaga ipinapanganak ang ating mga makamundo at masasabi natin walang kabuluhan at makahayop na mga damdamin at mga kaisipan. In the book of James, chapter 1, verses 14 and 15, but each one is tempted when by his own evil desire he is dragged away and enticed. Then after desire has conceived, it gives birth to sin, and sin, when it is full grown, gives birth to death. Makikita natin sa pagpapaliwanag ni Santiago, hindi pa na nagpapasimula ang kasalanan. Ito'y nagpapasimula sa ating mga damdamin, sa ating mga pagmamasa. Tinatawag ng mga psychologists as base instincts. That is the birthing place of pretty much a sinful habit or a sinful lifestyle. It begins from our primal, selfish, animalistic base instincts. So why shouldn't we love the world and the things of the world? Why shouldn't we be engrossed in loving and reinforcing the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life? Well, Apostle James gives two important reasons. Ito ang mga pangunahing dahilan na binanggit ni Santiago. Una, hindi ito ayon sa Diyos. Hindi ito ayon sa Diyos. Base instincts, the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, the pride of life, they counter and they oppose the greatest and the first commandment of Jesus, which is to love God above all. Nilalaban nito ang pinakapangunahin, pinakadakilang kautusan ng Diyos. Walang iba kundi ito. So you cannot love the world and the things things of the
Dapat
world.
kung
And
hindi
at the same
gano'n,
time,
dire-diretso
profess
yung
that
tulog
you
ko. Di ang
love
haba
God,
ng tulog.
they go against each
11,
other.
12. Alas 10
They
lang pala
are
ako natulog.
diametrically opposed to each other. You just can't do
11,
it.
12,
In the book
1.
of Matthew 22,
Pero
37,
nakano
it
din ako
says,
halos ilang
love the
oras.
Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. From that verse, it
Wala na
proves
kape.
that you cannot love other
Kami
things,
naman.
much less the things of the world. Yun na ang
Saw-sawin ako.
ipinagpapalagay
Alam
ng
mo, wala
utos na
kasi
ito,
nung molde.
na
Tsaka
ang
yung isa.
pag-ibig sa
Kaya
Diyos ang
nakitigasan ako
pangunahin at pinakadakila sa mga
sa
wala nang
pinto.
lugar pa para ibigin
Yung pan,
ang
isaw-saw
sanlibutan
natin.
at ang mga bagay
With
ng
bread.
sanlibutan.
Ay, with bread daw ito.
Pangalawa, ang dahilan kung bakit hindi dapat natin ibigin ang mundo at ang kamunduhan at ang
Uy,
mga bagay ng
pinatira ko
sanlibutan
corn
ay
beef.
sapagkat
Hindi ko
hindi
nilagay
sila
na kasi
mananatili magpakailanman. They are actually passing
kasawsaw na
away.
ito.
And there
Oh,
are two
minsan manigas.
contexts by which we
Ang
can
gating niya yung
see how the lust of the flesh, the lust of the eyes, and the pride of life, the things of the world are actually passing away. First, in the natural context. In the natural context. Sa konteksto ng kalikasan.
Hindi
Wala
mo
talagang
tinigiran mo isa.
bagay at walang sino man
Sa
na
lamesa.
nananatili magpakailanman. No matter how alluring, no matter how
Hindi na yata matapang yun
and
eh.
how good the things
Sinabawan mo
of
na
the
lang
world
yata.
look like to us.
Ayaw,
All of these
magbiwag.
things are actually passing
Alam
away.
ko lang na yun.
The world
Hindi, inamig
and
ko.
everything
Sa
in
paino.
it is actually passing away. Sinasabi sa batas ng kalikasan, meron tinatawag na law of thermodynamics.
Ah.
The law of thermodynamics, which is the law of entropy. The law of entropy, ang batas ng entropy. Na sinasabi na lahat ng mga bagay sa kanyang kasulukuyang itsura at sa kanyang kasulukuyang kalagayan, ang lahat ng ito
Ayun.
ay pagkawasak
Mukha mo yung
at
gatas.
kawalan.
Saka
That is
yung
what the law of thermodynamics states, which is the law is actually moving and inching closer and closer to deterioration and disorder. The Word of God actually reinforces that truth. In the book of Matthew 24, verse 35, it says, Heaven and earth will pass away, but
Share
my
and like.
words will never
Kung inyong kaibigan kay Jesus Brother Manny Bautista.
will pass away.
Oh,
Ang langit
Grace Salon.
at ang lupa ay lilipas.
Sana po meron kayo natutunan. Isa po akong senior citizen, 64. Isa po akong si stroke nose, 6 na taon. Ngayon, August. Person with disability, 6 na taon. Ngayon din pong August nangyari.
Hanggang 17 na ang lahat ng mga bagay
Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
at sila